In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic animations to your website using the Site Styles menu. Animations are a great way to add the personality and flair to your site, making it more engaging and interactive for your visitors. So, let's get started on making your website come to life. You'll want to begin by heading to the main menu of your website builder. From here, locate the Design option. This is where all the magic happens in terms of your site's appearance and aesthetics. Once you're there, look for Site Styles. This section will serve as your toolkit for customizing the visual experience of your site. Now, scroll down until you find Animations. This is where you can choose an animation style that best suits the vibe and functionality you want for your website. There are several options to consider. First, none is exactly what it suggests. There won't be any animations applied. This can be suitable for minimalist designs or if you're going for a clean, static look. Next, there's Fade. With this animation style, your content will subtly fade into view as users scroll down the page. This effect is quite popular as it smoothly guides the viewer's attention through the content, offering a professional touch. Then we have the Scale option, which zooms your content into focus from a smaller size. This can be really attention-grabbing and is great for pages where you want to emphasize visual elements. The Slide animation allows your content to slide up from the bottom as users scroll, adding a sense of vertical motion that can help in leading the eye along the page. This is perfect for storytelling or guiding viewers through a sequential narrative. For a more text-focused effect, try out the Clip animation. Here, your content is revealed line by line, reminiscent of a typewriter effect, which can be great for blog posts or text-heavy pages. Finally, if you're looking to add an interactive twist, consider the Flex animation. This style introduces hover effects to buttons, links, and headings, adding an additional layer of engagement when users navigate your site. After picking the perfect animation style, you have the option to decide how quickly these animations should play out. You can set the speed to slow, medium, or fast, depending on how dramatic or subtle you want the transition to feel. Once you've made your selections and adjusted the speed to your liking, remember to click Save to apply these changes to your site. It's always a good idea to preview these effects to ensure they align with your design vision before setting them live. Congratulations, you've now added animations to your website. This simple yet effective touch can significantly enhance user experience. Enjoy exploring these options and see how they transform your site's look and feel.